Hi everyone, I'm Sukanti here. I'm happy to be here with you all for this week's presentation. Okay, for this week presentation topic is chapter 12 from Management Information System. Okay, the title Enhancing Decision Making. Okay, today I would like to present more detailedly about subtopic 12.1 that include two main elements. First, the different types of decision. Second, the decision making process. Four different types of decision. There are three types of decision. First, structured. Second, semi-structured, and third, unstructured strategy level. For structured, this mainly for operation level, individual employees and team. Okay, these are some situations that supervisor can take unstructured decision. First, determine when determining overtime eligibility, when restock the inventory, offer credit to customer, determine special offers to customer. Okay, semi-structure, this is more for middle management level. These are some decision can take by the people in middle management level. Design a marketing plan, develop a marketable budget. Third, design a new corporate website. Okay, for structure decision making, structure decision are more prevalent at lower organization level. Okay, for semi-structured is the only part of the problem as a clear-cut answer provided by an accepted procedure. Okay, third, unstructured strategic level. This for mainly for senior management. Okay, these are some decisions. Example of decision can take when people in unstructured strategic level or senior management decide the entrance and exit from markets, approve capital budget, design long-term goals. Okay, unstructured decisions are more prevalent at high organization level. It means senior management. Okay, the decision-making process. There are four process in this element. First, intelligent design, choice, and implementation. Okay, for intelligent, uh, the problem occurring in the organization, they will discover and understand the problem in the organization. Okay, for design, they will identify and explore uh, the various solutions to the problem. Third choice, choosing a more solution alternatives. Okay, the last implementation involves making the chosen alternative work and continuing to monitor how well the solution is working. Okay, that's all from chapter 12, mainly for subtopic 12.1, the different types of decision and the decision making process. Thank you very much.